Hey, this is Chef Manoj from Pride Plaza, Ahmedabad, and today in Amul special homemade recipe, we are going to cook thepla wrap, which is Gujarati special. And today I'll give the overview about me and my property. So myself, Chef Manoj, I am carrying 15 year of experience with me and 7 year in Ahmedabad. So I know the cuisine of Ahmedabad, and today we'll do a little fusion about the cuisine. We'll do the thepla Mexican wrap. So thepla we present in Mexican style, and before that I will give the overview about our property. Our property have 164 room keys and 2 F&B outlets. That is, one is your cafeteria, multi cuisine, and we have serving the coastal South Indian cuisine. So I'll give you an overview. As per the pandemic situation, we are very worried about the hygienic. We have a hand sanitizing station, and we have a nice ambience. You can see the South 54 restaurant. We are serving different cuisine like your Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and many more the coastal South Indian cuisine. The best USP of this property is this restaurant is the chef is from South India only. He belongs to Kerala. His name is Rajiv Gandhi, and he cooks the delicious South Indian food. So please visit us, and we show you the overview of the restaurant. Then we'll start our recipe. Thank you.
वीडियो इज नॉट क्लियर दिखा रहा है।
Comment आ रहा है।
जोर से, थोड़ा जोर से।
Namaste once again, and as I promise you, today I am going to cook the thepla Mexican wrap. So the thepla Mexican, I will introduce you first the ingredient. We have a thepla, methi thepla. You can easily available at market. And in ingredients, we have a tomato puree, we have a kidney beans, we have a baked beans, we have a Amul cheese, we have a Amul butter, we have bell pepper chop, we have onion chop, some fresh grated coconut, salt as per taste, pepper, and garlic. Then for accompaniment we have a 3 type of sauce. One is your tomato salsa, then guacamole salsa, and sour cream. So as I told you, I am making a fusion cuisine. So it's basically Gujarati and Mexican mix. So let's start with our recipe. So we have to make the stuffing first, then the topping, then we'll make our wrap. Okay, let's start. So I'll heat my pan. I'll put some Amul butter into it. So as Gujarati cuisine, many people are Jain. If the people not having garlic, they can avoid it, and they can use only bell pepper. So I'm making with garlic so that the regular people can have. If you don't want garlic, you can put the simple bell pepper, onion garlic. So you can simple put your bell pepper. So the butter is melting now. I'll put some garlic into it. 1 teaspoon of garlic I am putting. I'll saute it till light golden brown. when the till the garlic is getting golden brown, you can pre-prepare your mise en place, and so that the most of the time you can't waste. So even in your home also you can cook. You the guacamole salsa, it's made out of your avocado along with some spices, salt, pepper, olive oil, and this is the sour cream, homemade tomato salsa. For homemade tomato salsa, you can use your chopped onion, chopped bell pepper. If you don't like onion, then you can put your only bell pepper and tomato puree along with salt, pepper, and olive oil. So I pre-prepared it. Now my garlic is golden brown. I'll put some onion into it.
Speak loudly, sir. Loudly. Speak loudly.
Thank you for your comments. I'll try my best. Try to speak loud.
Miss Manju Bhimani is asking for speaking in Hindi.
Okay. नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल स्पीक इन हिंदी. सो मैंने थोड़ा सा इसमें डाला ऑनियन डाल के मैं सोते कर रहा हूँ. सोते करने के बाद इसमें मैं थोड़ा बेल पेपर डालूँगा. बेल पेपर, रेड येलो बेल पेपर आप यूज कर सकते हैं. इफ़ इट्स नॉट अवेलेबल, आप ग्रीन बेल पेपर भी यूज कर सकते हैं फॉर द मिक्सचर. Then I will saute it for maximum 30 seconds, not more than that. And I'll put, because when we'll have the stuffing, it should be crunchy. So I will put the kidney beans now, along with some baked beans. I pre-boiled the kidney beans so that it would in live it will not take some time. We'll mix it together, and now if you want, you can put some water if it is sticky or something. And cook properly. Meanwhile, we will put the seasoning. We'll put salt as per taste. उसके बाद हम ब्लैक पेपर डालेंगे, क्रश ब्लैक पेपर. I have some jalapeno, chopped jalapeno, so I am putting some jalapeno into it. And that's the mixture should be little thick, and at last we will add cheese into it. Meanwhile, I'll heat another pan and will hit the pan. I'll put some butter. And I'll if someone Jain, then he don't use onion. Otherwise, you can use onion and you saute just onion, bell pepper. So I can put some onion and some bell pepper. I'll saute it for the toppings. जैसे ही राजमा थोड़ा टेंडर हो जाए और मिक्सचर थोड़ा थिक हो जाए, देन हम थेपला रैप बनाना शुरू करेंगे. इसमें हम बटर के साथ सौते किया बेल पेपर को अमूल बटर के साथ, और उसमें हम डालेंगे पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट एंड ब्लैक पेपर। इसको हम बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं पकाएंगे, इसको बिल्कुल हम हल्का सा सौते करके निकाल लेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर आवर टॉपिंग ओनली। इसमें थोड़ा क्रंची रहेगा, तो खाने में जो राप रहेगा वो खाने में थोड़ा अच्छा रहेगा और क्रंची रहेगा। ये हमने रेडी कर लिया। उसके बाद हम करेंगे थेपला को हॉट करेंगे। वी हैव सम रेडीमेड थेपलास, सो विल हॉट द थेपला वन बाय वन। Meanwhile, the mixture is ready, and you can see the consistency, it's thick. Now we will just switch up the induction and we will put some Amul cheese into it. I'll grate some fresh Amul cheese. So you can raise the questions. My colleague is there to answer you, not an issue. Now our mixture is ready.
Chef, there is one Miss Indira Marurandan asked.
Okay, just answer her.
Okay.
So the mixture is ready. We'll remove it. Then we'll put some more butter. It's little dry.
जोर से।
अभी हम थोड़ा सा बटर लेके इसको बढ़िया सा सेक लेंगे थेपला को। देन विल मेक आवर रैप। हमारा सारा इंग्रेडिएंट्स रेडी हो चुका है। देन विल रिप्रेजेंट आवर रैप। थोड़ा सा गोल्डन ब्राउन कलर कर लेंगे थेपला को, एंड और कर लेंगे 2 पीस। हम इसको डिफरेंट टाइप का बना सकते हैं। जैसे हम इसको पहले रोल बनाएंगे, उसके बाद इसका एक कसाडिया की तरह भी बनाएंगे, जैसे मैक्सिकन कसाडिया बनता है वैसे भी बनाएंगे। सो स्टे ट्यून, एंड आपको जो भी क्वेश्चन है प्लीज रेज एंड विल ट्राई टू गिव यू आंसर। गैस की फ्लेम को कम कर लेंगे ताकि ये अच्छी तरह से सीख जाए। उसके बाद ऑलमोस्ट रेडी नाउ। सो हमने थेपला निकाल लिया है। उसके बाद हम इसमें डालेंगे जो हमने मैक्सिकन मिक्सचर बनाया है अमूल चीज और किडनी बीन्स के साथ, उसको डालेंगे दोनों में, इक्वली स्प्रेड करेंगे। उसके बाद जो हमारा टॉपिंग्स बनाया था हमने, उसको हम डालेंगे। उसके बाद इसमें मैं थोड़ा सीजनिंग के लिए थोड़ा सा ब्लैक पेपर और डाल देता हूँ, जिसको स्पाइसी पसंद है वो स्पाइसी खाएगा, नहीं तो थोड़ा सा ब्लैक पेपर वगैरह डाल देते हैं. देन आई पुट सम salsa into it. Parsley always give nice taste to the Mexican dish, so I'll put some parsley. Then I'll grate Amul cheese into it. उसके बाद इसको हम रोल करके ग्रिल कर देंगे. इसको हम रोल कर लेंगे, रोल करके हम इसको दोबारा ग्रिल कर लेंगे. तो इसमें जो चीज़ होगा वो मेल्ट हो जाएगा और एक बढ़िया टेस्ट देगा रात को. थोड़ा सा इसमें अमूल बटर डालेंगे हम, और जैसे अमूल स्पेशल है तो इसमें हम अमूल यूज कर रहे हैं, नहीं तो आप ऑलिव ऑयल भी यूज कर सकते हैं इसमें. और जैसे गुजरात इज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ बटर, सो पीपल लव टू हैव बटर, सो बटर के साथ बहुत अच्छा टेस्ट लगा. Now you can see it's nice golden brown in color and the cheese inside is melted. Now slow up flame and we'll remove the wraps. Then we'll the best part of the food is the presentation, so we can present. I pre-garnished one tray for it. Now I cut this wrap, तो मैं 1/2 करके काट दूंगा. Then I will garnish with some fresh coconut on top, and of course coriander leaf. I have some nice garnish to top over it. This is your Thepla Mexican wrap is ready to eat. You can enjoy this. And now I am going to make another Thepla wrap, that is quesadilla style. I'll show you. Now I am going to make another quesadilla wrap, the same wrap in different style. It's like how we eat the quesadilla, I am going to make in similar way. So what I have to do, I have to just hold the thepla, you can put some more butter into it. And for this all you can serve with the sour cream, guacamole salsa, and your tomato salsa. This is the 3 accompaniment for this dish. Now the thepla is getting hot, so one side is done. Now I will put the toppings in the pan only. So you will spread it equally to all sides. Then you can put your toppings, all the toppings on top. Then little salt and pepper, as I told you. Then we'll put the grated cheese on top. It's a grated mozzarella cheese from Amul. You can put the grated mozzarella cheese on top. Then you can put some salsa. Then another thepla you can put on top. Then you have to change the side. Extra stuffing you can put inside. Let the cheese melted. You can put some more Amul butter on the side. उसके बाद हम इसको निकाल लेंगे. ये ऑलमोस्ट डन हो चुका है. अब हम इसको निकाल लेंगे. The cheese is getting melting, so you can put all the stuffing inside again and you can close. Now we will cut this into 4. Now I will garnish it. So I am putting some fried curry leaf with some chili, some fresh grated coconut on top, along with some mint leaves. You can present it like this. Then some bell pepper on top. It looks nice. Now we'll put the sauce on top only. Salsa, guacamole sauce, sour cream, and finally some bell pepper on top and a parsley leaf. So your thepla Mexican wrap is ready with two way. You can present in two way, either a wrap roll or in a quesadilla style. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching, and hope to welcome you in Pride Plaza Ahmedabad again. Thank you so much.